Hi everyone, thank you for joining us today. My name is Rami, I'm the CEO of OnceHub, and today is a really exciting day for us. We're introducing our new extension, OnceHub for Gmail. So let's see what we're going to discuss. I'll talk about what is OnceHub for Gmail, then we'll discuss the key features, we'll see a product demo, and we'll finish with a Q&A session. So what is OnceHub for Gmail? It is basically a Chrome extension. You can get it from the Chrome Web Store. You can, of course, install it on any Chrome browser and any other browser that uses the Chromium engine, like Opera, for example. What does the OnceHub for Gmail extension allow you to do? First of all, you can access all your booking pages without leaving Gmail. So you can see here in this screenshot, you can see all your booking pages. You can search for them. You can also star pages that you want to use frequently. And we'll see all this in a demo in a bit. The next thing that you can do with the extension is that you can automatically generate one-time links. One-time links are really good to eliminate unwanted repeat bookings. Let's see what they are. So they're good for one booking only. They never reveal your underlying booking page link because they're using a secure code. They can be also personalized for a specific customer, and we are going to discuss what personalization is in a bit. And they also have full support for rescheduling. What is the syntax of one-time links? This is a generic link, go.oncehub.com/Dana, and the one-time link would look something like this. It has a dot and then it has a code. That's the one-time link, and it's good for one booking only. If the prospect or the customer tries to use that link again, they will see a message like this one that says the link is no longer valid. Today, if you want to generate a one-time link and you don't have the extension, what you need to do is you need to go to OnceHub, to the application, you need to go to Schedule Once, you need to find your booking page, and then you need to generate the one-time link and copy it. So it takes some work to do, and the extension eliminates all that completely. We will see that. Another thing that the extension can do is it can automatically personalize the booking page links, and it does that by using the name and the email from the email's to field. So you don't have to enter an email or a name, it automatically takes it from the to field. What is personalization? What does it do? It allows the customer to make a booking without having to provide any information about themselves. They don't need to fill out a booking form. All they need to do is click schedule, and that's it. The meeting is confirmed. They don't need to provide any additional information. So this is the one-time links, and today if you want to create, so this is the personalized links, and if you want to generate personalized links today, you need to go to the application, and you need to enter the name and the email, and then this automatically generates the one-time, the personalized link. So it does take some work, and again, the extension can eliminate all this. Okay, so let's see a product demo now. Let's see everything in action. Okay, so I'm in my OnceHub account, and you can see we've added some text here announcing the new extension, and I'm going to install it from the Chrome Web Store. So here it is in the Chrome Web Store, and I click Add to Chrome, and it is now installing it, and that's it. It is installed. You can see here that there's a message that it is installed. I can close that now. And now I can go to my Gmail. And whenever you install an extension, the best thing to do is to refresh Gmail to make sure that the extension is loaded properly. And now I can use the extension. I can use it when I compose an email or if I reply to an email. Let's compose an email. And you can see here the icon. So this is the extension, schedule meetings via OnceHub, and I click on it, and it automatically logs me in. Why does it log me in automatically? Because I'm already logged into my OnceHub account. If I was not logged in into my OnceHub account, it would ask me to log in, but if I am logged in, it recognizes it automatically. And you can see I have many booking pages and master pages in this account. It's a pretty big account. And I can search for booking pages, and I can see all the booking pages. If I'm an administrator, I can see all the booking pages on the account. If I'm a member, then I can see all the booking pages on which I'm an owner or editor. So it's exactly the same permissions as you have in the application. I can also star booking pages. What does it mean? It means that the booking pages that I use most often can show up here for quick access. So I don't have any starred items yet, but let's do that. Let's say that I work in sales and I'm a sales development representative. Let's call me SDR John. So let's look for my booking page, and here it is, and I'm going to star it. So that's one, and I also schedule discovery calls. So let's find the discovery master page. And I also schedule product demos. So here's the product demo. That's the one I want. And now if I go to the Start tab, I can see all the pages that I'm going to use. So that was easy. Now I have them for quick access. So if I close the extension and reopen it, it's going to reopen on the Start tab just where I left off. Okay, so let's start with one very simple scenario. Let's say that a prospect has submitted a form on my website, and now I want to get back to the prospect and have an initial call. So I have a template here, and it's called SDR call. I'm loading this template. I'm going to add the email here. And the simplest thing to do is to use my generic link. That's what I'm going to show first. So here's the generic link for myself. I'm clicking here to copy it. And that's it, it's copied. Now I can just say use this link to schedule a convenient time and send it off. So that was one scenario. Now let's do another scenario, and this time we are going to invite the prospect for a discovery call with an account executive, and this time we're going to use a different link because it's a different page. It's the discovery call, but we want to use a one-time link. So the link we're going to send is going to be good for one booking only. So I click on one time, and now I can go and I can say, please use my booking page. And this time I'm going to use the HTML feature that Gmail has, and I'm going to paste the link into here. And you can see the one-time link, you can see the code, and that's it. I can send it to John Smith again. And that's it, sent. Okay, so now we've sent it, and what I would like to show you in the next scenario is how we use the extension, not from a new composed email, but from a reply to email. So let's go to the prospect side. So I'm switching, and you can see this email just came in, the discovery call email. And before we had the SDR call that came in as well. And let's say that the meeting already took place, and now I'm the prospect and I'm replying, and I'm saying, thanks, I would love to see a demo. And sending it back. Okay, so now we're going to go back to the user side, to the sales representative, and we're going to reply to this email and send the link to schedule a demo. Okay, so here is the reply. Thanks, I would love to see a demo. Let's reply to this. And now we're going to use the extension again from here. And we are going to use the product demo booking page. And this time we're going to use a personalized link, which is also a one-time link. So I'm going to use this. That's it, it's copied. And I'm going to also use the product demo template And here I already have the click here ready, so I can just click on it and do change, and I can get rid of the old one and add the new one, the personalized link, and I can click OK. So you see this process was really, really quickly. I automatically generated the personalized link. Why was it so easy? Because I already had the name in the to field. Let's say that I remove the name. I'm going to remove the name. So there is nothing in the to field, and now I'm going to try to do the same thing again. So if I click on personalized, it cannot personalize because it doesn't have a name in the to field. So it asks me to add the name and the email, and I can do that here, but there is a much faster way to do it. I can just add it here, and then you see it automatically populates this. And all I need to do is copy and close, and I have the link. So it works really seamlessly. There's no extra effort to generate a personalized link, and that's it. I can send it. So these were the three scenarios using either a generic link, a one-time link, or a personalized link. I just want to show you the experience using a personalized one-time link when making a booking. So let's go back to the prospect side. And here's the email. And now I'm the prospect, so I click on the link. And you can see here, this is the link. You can see the code, the one-time link code, and you can see the personalization here. And as a prospect, all I need to do is pick a time, click schedule, and I'm done. That's it. So this way converts the best because the prospect doesn't need to go through any effort to make a booking. It's a matter of a few seconds and the booking is done really, really quick. If the prospect wants to use this link again, so they can go back to the email, but they will not be able to because it's a one-time link and it's not going to allow them to, it just says that the link is no longer valid. So this is how the one-time link works. Okay, great. Let's go back and summarize the benefits of the extension. So the extension is a real game changer when it comes to link sharing, and we can see it on this graph. Here we have the benefit of using each link type. And here we have the time it takes to generate the link. So the time it takes is a matter of minutes. I mean, it's not a lot of time, but still it's time because every time you need to repeat the same thing, it's going to be a burden. So let's start with generic links. The generic links, this is the link that you probably know by heart. Like my generic link is go.oncehub.com/Rami. So I remember this link, I can just type it in. It's a no-brainer. So the effort to generate this link, the time to generate this link is almost nothing. But it is also not the best link to use. The reason is that it can be abused. People can just come to the link and make bookings. And it is also not personalized. So the next step is to generate a one-time link that cannot be abused, but the one-time link requires to generate it via an API. That's how we generate it with a code. So so today, if I don't have the extension, I need to go to the application and generate it from there. And if I want to personalize, then there is even an extra effort because what I need to do is I need to add the email and the name into the link builder in order to generate the personalized link. What the extension does is it levels the playing field for all links because it takes exactly the same effort to generate any link, whether it's generic or one-time or personalized, you generate it with a click. Just a single click and it is generated. So this is really a revolution because why use the generic links? I mean, today we use the generic links all the time, but it's much better to use one-time links and personalized links. It will just give you better results. It will give you better conversion and less unwanted repeated bookings. And if it's the same effort as using the generic links, why not use them? It's a pure benefit. Okay, so thank you very much. It was great Great to see you in the webinar. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you very much.